Affordable comfort at Premiere Classe Douarnenez, located just 3 kilometers from the lively city center of Douarnenez. Premiere Classe Douarnenez offers affordable comfort in a convenient location. With its welcoming atmosphere and excellent amenities, this 2-star hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. Check-in at Premiere Classe Douarnenez begins at 4 p.m., allowing guests ample time to settle in and start their Douarnenez adventure. The friendly and attentive staff are ready to assist you with any queries or requests, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free check-in process. And with a late checkout time of 1 p.m., guests can enjoy a leisurely morning before departing. For those arriving by air, the hotel is conveniently situated just 60 minutes away from the nearest airport. Whether you're flying in for a business meeting or embarking on a well-deserved vacation, Premiere Classe Douarnenez offers easy access to and from the airport, making your journey stress-free. With 50 comfortable and well-appointed rooms, Premiere Classe Douarnenez provides a cozy retreat after a day of exploring the beautiful surroundings. Each room is thoughtfully designed to meet the needs of modern travelers, featuring comfortable beds, ensuite bathrooms, and essential amenities. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with family and friends, you'll find a room that suits your needs. Families traveling with children will appreciate Premiere Classe Douarnenez's child policy. Children between the ages of 6 to 17 can stay free of charge, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious families. Create lasting memories together as you explore the charming city of Douarnenez and its many attractions. Experience affordable comfort and a warm welcome at Premiere Classe Douarnenez. Book your stay today and discover the beauty of Douarnenez from this conveniently located hotel. Relax and unwind in the shared lounge/TV area at Premiere Classe Douarnenez. Guests can enjoy a range of entertainment facilities, including a spacious shared lounge and TV area. This inviting space is the perfect spot to unwind after a long day of exploring the beautiful surroundings of Douarnenez. Sink into one of the comfortable sofas and catch up on your favorite shows or movies on the large flat-screen TV. The lounge area offers a cozy and relaxed ambience, making it an ideal place to socialize with fellow guests or simply enjoy some quiet time alone.